Good morning, everybody. Cowboy Bob here on a great Friday. And I got one quick little tips and tricks for you today that I just finished, and maybe some of you will find it helpful. I got this old wheelbarrow. We've got three of these here. We've had them probably 11 years, and I continue to cobble them together. We're not the most delicate folks with our wheelbarrows. Pretty common for us to overfill them with manure, and we get to our destination and we drop. Well, over the years, what's happened is the wheelbarrow stands, which would be these parts right here, have actually broken. Okay, right here at the joint, you'll notice these are a little bit deformed from their overuse, but this particular one on this side actually was broken all the way across, and this piece of the stand was hanging out. So new wheelbarrow stands online are about 50 bucks for the pair, and you got to wait for them. But I took a quick look at it and thought, well, there might be a quick fix here at home. So I looked at it quickly, ran down to the hardware store and bought a piece of stock bar that I thought would work, and basically cobbled it back together again. I think we're probably going to be good for a few more years. So in the purchase of my metal, what I did, this particular design, I got a piece of metal that would fit in between the edges of this groove here, and basically disassembled this support and used that as one of my anchor points and anchored that in there, and then pre-bent it before I actually put it together. I made my bend across this way, and made sure I was good and where my bend was good. Disassembled it and continued to bend until I could find the right angle here that was close enough, realizing that the new bolt that I would put in would pull it into the right position. And lo and behold, it worked. This was the easy side because it was not actually broken all the way across. You'll notice this side here has a little bit different configuration and an extra bolt, nut and bolt here, and actually two of them. So I took this bottom piece and made a 90-degree bend in it here and hooked these two pieces together where it was broke. So technically it's a little shorter, and you'll see a little bolt down in there. So that held those two pieces together. And then what I did, similar to the other side, is I connected the upper bolt first, brought it around, bent it into place, secured it there on both ends, and I put an extra bolt here to kind of suck the piece down and make the conformation a little bit better. So it's lasted a day, so I think that's a bonus.
I think it's more than a day.
In reality, I think it's probably going to last pretty well. So
how much was that piece of metal that you had to
buy? Yeah, the bar stock was $10.
$10.
Yep,
and so you bought one of them or two of them?
Just one, and so I have this left over.
Okay, so what length does it come in generally?
Well, this was a 3-foot piece.
Okay.
And right. Yeah, and it comes longer, but I just picked something that looked pretty sturdy. I mean, it's sturdy enough. There's thicker and less.
And what's it called again?
It's just bar stock, and this you can just buy at any hardware store, or any of your home improvement stores. They usually have a rack with all different shapes and sizes and lengths of hobby metal or metal, so you don't have to go to the steel store and buy stuff and go through their scrap bin or something. So all in all, I probably saved $40, and it took me an hour to do it. Tools involved was appropriate size wrench or ratchet, an angle grinder so I could cut this to place, and a drill with the appropriate size drill bits. So
that's nice.
It worked well. Yeah, well, so we're excited.
And you have done this repair like this before?
I have not done this repair on this one before.
Okay, you bought the...
I can do another quick video that I've done. Again, we're cobbling these things together, and as somebody on a ranch, you save a lot of stuff for the occasion where you might need it. And so I'll do another video on the front supports that I actually cobbled together with parts of a pop-up tent, believe it or not. So yeah. So anyway, a quick one. Hope it was, maybe it'll help somebody. It sure helped me. So all right.
It could help me.
Happy Friday.
Sure. Yes.
Bye now.